Hello, hello, hello. Shoyin-moi, shoyin-moi, shoyin-moi. Zahom as Susan Zam. My name is Susan Zam. Today we'll be looking at pronunciation in Birom. Let's begin. Bara or bare means to remember. Bara or bare, to remember. Bara or bare means thought. Bara or bare means thought. Ngan, ngan, like this. Ngan, like this. Rangas simply means to burn. Rangas, burn. Rangal, ask. Rangal, ask. Galumla or kalumla means pandemic. Galumla or kalumla means pandemic. Talk is fish. Talk, fish. Bomo or bongo. Bomo or bongo is throw away. Bomo is throw away. Yebam simply means to forget. Yebam means to forget. Thank you. This will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning. Remember to subscribe to Idagwe Wealth YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.